Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see how we can change Windows 11 accounts. Maybe you want to add another user account or delete an old one. We'll also see how to change the password and rename user accounts. I'm gonna close this window and show you how we got here. Left click in the search at the bottom and type in other users. And left click on the system settings icon that you find under best match. And we have the option to add another user over here by clicking the add account button. So I'm just gonna left click and see how we can do this. The first question is, how will this person sign in? Windows refers to a Microsoft account. So if you know their email address, you can just add it here. Or if you don't want to create another account with a Microsoft account, you can create a local account by just left clicking on this link that says I don't have this person's sign-in information. I personally prefer to keep the Windows accounts local. Here you can create another user account if you want to, but you can also left click on this link that says add a user without a Microsoft account, which is what I'm gonna do today. And this is the old style account. Who's gonna use this PC? Let's say Julie. You can also enter a password if you want, or just leave the fields blank if you don't want to put a password, and left click on next when you're ready. And that's it. As we can see, the account appears over here. You can also change the account type to make Julie an administrator. So she would have full access of Windows to make changes and to install programs. And left click on OK when you're ready. And that's it. We see that the status is now set to administrator. If you want to delete a user account, you can just left click on the specific account, and here where it says account and data, you have a button to remove. So I'm just going to do this for the account named John. And Windows asks if you want to delete account and data. I'm just going to left click on the button here that says the same thing to proceed. And that's it. As we can see, the account is now gone. Just keep in mind that the specific user will lose all its files, all his files that were in the users folder in Windows. So be cautious when you do that. If you want to change the password or rename an account, it's good to go to the control panel. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do that. Left click and search again and type in control and left click on control panel. Now look for user accounts. It's over here if you have the view set by icons. If you have the view set to category, the user account is on the top right. So I'm gonna left click. And right now, left click on user accounts again over here. And left click on manage another account. This way you can see all the accounts on your device. And if you want to make changes to a specific account, just left click on it. And here you can change the account name, create a password, also change the account type. If it's an administrator or not, you can delete the account, or you can left click on manage another account to go back to the same place. That's it, guys. In short, in regards to changing user accounts on Windows, I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Subscribe for future tips.